guys, welcome back. I'm actually kind of excited and horrified to try this beer. So this is my tomato leaf Kvike, and I have no idea what to expect. I'm a little bit pensive about it. So when I canned this, it actually kind of smelled like sage, which is kind of weird. But I feel like a lot of saisons taste like sage in the end. Also, I don't know if it's like a temperature thing with the yeast. I also don't know what yeast I used. I should probably figure these things out before I do a review. But the recipe and brew day are down here. So y'all can figure it out. And I'll probably put a little, lower third is what they're called. So I actually threw legitimate tomato leaves in this beer. Mainly because I didn't know what to do with the massive amounts I cut off my plants. They're still going, by the way. I got tomatoes and it is November. Thank you, Los Angeles. All right, let's try this. It looks nice. Oh, it's so clear. All right, it's a good head on it. Ooh, it smells funky. What does it smell like? Oh, it's so different. Doesn't really smell like tomato leaves, but it does have a little bit of that vibe, you know, like walking through tomato field. But it's like, it's not as like fresh smelling, I guess. The tomato leaves were boiled. Oh my gosh, I know what it is. Oh, what is this? It smells like mashed peas. That is a very weird descriptor to say about beer. But that's exactly what it smells like. Weird. That's to a T what it smells like. Well, I guess we do the description too. So it's a beautiful gold and it's pretty clear. Beautiful white head. Right out of the can. That's when you know you got a good can run going, when it actually pours well. Mashed peas. That's not on any of your little flavor wheels, I bet. It's so weird. Oh, can you tell I'm nervous about tasting it? Because I just keep smelling it and talking about smashed peas. All right, gonna do it. Be strong. Kind of tastes like sage. It's actually pretty nice. It's really light. It's definitely malty. I'm getting a lot of like Pilsner flavor in there. If you didn't tell me it was a saison, I would probably think it's like a lager because it's got that really malty flavor. It's pretty good. Compared to the last beer I tasted, which is my blackberry saison, way better. It's got some bitterness in the front, but it doesn't really carry through. It's pretty dry, typical for a saison. Finishes with a little bitterness, but like in the middle, there's that like serious Pilsner flavor. It's so weird. It doesn't really taste like it smells, except for like when you think of mashed peas. How many times can she say mashed peas in one video? It's like the sweetness, almost like canned peas. That's what it is. It's canned peas. That's what it smells like. I hate canned food, but that is exactly what it is. So bizarre. I don't know what I was expecting from this, but for a beer that has like literal garbage in it, talking about the tomato leaves that were literally pruned to death, pretty good. Very interesting. I'm definitely going to give this to some people because it's very weird. So fascinating what you can do with beer. All right. Now I got to think of what other weird ingredients from the garden I can throw in here. I do have some bananas that don't seem to want to ripen, and they're like from an ornamental banana? I don't know. That seems dangerous. So cool. Maybe next time I'll actually use the fruit in the beer, but, you know, I feel like tomatoes are too valuable to just toss them into beer and see what happens when you can make delicious, delicious marinara. All right, I think that's all I've got on this one. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.